that has decided to work with government.
Jopur niang ogolo ywak kalure kod okang mar loro kembe mag loso sukari nikech nok mar niang. Duol matayo weche mag pur kod chiemo afa ne ogolo chik ne kembego ma Nyanza kod imbo mar Kenya mondo lor nikech nok mar niang momako gwengego. Jakom mar jopur niang Atiang wacho ni loro mar kembego dweche 4 dhi weyo ganda maonge tich, ka wacho ni loro kembe ok kony ohala mar pur niang. Kembe mag piny wacho emolor kamag ji giwegi to pod tiyo, kata kamano gibende giywago nok mar niang.
Situation in which we are today, and as far as we are concerned, this is not by accident. This is a well-calculated move by very powerful personalities in the government who have ensured that they want to import sugar, and as far as we are concerned, we have no otherwise, but for the next 4 months when we have closed, they have to import a balance of 180,000 metric tons of sugar into this country. We don't want to see a situation whereby this 4 months to closure is going to put us in a mess to the tune whereby some importers, rogue importers, may use this window to import excess sugar into this country to a tune whereby when we resume in November, our local factories will not have anywhere to sell their sugar. For the Cabinet Secretary, Honorable Mithika Linsuri, please be sure that we shall be at Kilimo House on Tuesday. And from there, we are not stopping over that. There we shall be heading to see the Minister for Trade, Honorable Moses Kuria, so that the bulk of 185,000 metric tons be considered to be given to the millers to import that consignment, so that part of what they are raising should be able to be plowed back to sustain the workers who will have no job for the next 4 months.
Ka wadhi e kaunti ma Kisumu,